Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube? And yes, I'm back with another vlog, and this time it's something very useful that all your riders can actually do, and you have to do it actually. For me, apart from my bike, if you've seen my earlier videos, I maintain my bike very well. I use a lot of polishes and all that. You must have seen how I maintain my FZ. But what about the helmets? So have you thought about that? So today I'm going to give you a detailed vlog on how to clean your helmet and what I do to keep my helmet clean, and not only the exterior but also the interior of the helmet. So we ride, this is with us most of the time while we ride, and you know Mumbai heat, so a lot of sweat and all, so you need to keep this nice and fresh. So let's do it. Hey guys, so what are we going to use to clean the helmet? So first of all, I have removed my visor separate, and you need a cloth, soft cloth, some tissues, another soft cloth. This is just for polishing the helmet. This is the same RNG nano coat that I use. This is something new. So this is the helmet, motul helmet and visor clean. And you get an interior clean also of this, which is M2, but I don't use that anymore. I have tried something else, so that I'll show you. So this is the helmet and visor clean. So this is for this part and this part. Now what do we have here? This is something new. This is the Ustraa helmet spray. So it's antibacterial and removes stains and odors. So yes, for those who smelly helmets, this is the thing to use. You need a small microfiber and cotton swabs. Now I'll tell you why cotton swabs. It's not to clean your ear. I'll tell you why. So let's go ahead and spray this helmet clean. So I'm going to clean the visor first. So you need to take the spray and yes, just spray it on. This removes bugs, tar, whatever grime that is on the helmet. Spray it towards the inner side as well, and leave it to just drip off. So that's for the visor. Okay, we'll clean that after some time. Let the grime just flow down. So in case you have bugs and all on your breakfast rice, you have a lot of bugs that are difficult to take out. So rather than taking out with your nails or your fingers, you might end up scratching your visor. So just use this, it will just flow down. So that's what you need to do. So now let's go in for the helmet. So right now I have my HJC helmet here, and if you see, it's kind of very dirty. If you see this, see all dirt and all that. So firstly, let me just remove the senna. I'll remove this, keep this aside. Okay, now I'm going to spray the same thing on the helmet itself, not in the interior. Avoid spraying it on this end, so just like this. Just shift this here. Okay, and you can just take it down and just okay. Now we have sprayed this helmet completely with the motul helmet and visor clean. This is only for the exterior, guys. Mind you, don't spray it on the pad. Okay, so I'm going to use tissues to wipe this helmet clean. See, it's already become black. very important, in this groove, just run the tissue this way so that you get all the dirt. See this? Very bad. Now near my senna there was a lot of dirt, so I'll just take this and imagine the state of these tissues. This is how it is. So you take a cotton swab, okay, and you just spray the swab on this, and this goes right in. So, you see this? The same thing I need to do here. Use another one. So near my GoPro mount. So I'll actually show you the state of the swabs. See this. Let me focus it. You see? This is so bad. Everything so very dirty. So most of the cleaning is done. It looks nice and clean now. So what I'm going to do now is take tissue. Now why I'm using tissue is because this is quite soft, so I don't want to use any harsh. Just spray this on this and give it a last wipe. There are still some dirt particles, very tough stains on the helmet because of my last ride, and yes, we need to clean this too. So now, what about the visor? So the visor is neglected. Shall take a tissue. Just move the visor this way. I'll show you that later. First, I'll just finish up the helmet part. We'll need to wash that visor. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. What I'm going to do is just wipe the helmet dry. With a soft cloth, dry cloth. Okay. I'm going to spray this nano coat so that it gives a shine. Okay, I'm going to leave this to dry. Okay, I'm going to leave this to dry here. Now, what about the visor? So let's do this. So now what we have done is we have washed this visor, and with plain water. I've not used any soap, nothing. I just use the helmet and visor clean on this. Let it dry, let it drip off, and then just put it under running water, tap water. So now I've had two cloths, so I'm using the soft cloth just to wipe the visor. Or what you can do is I've just put some tissue, let it absorb the water, let it dry naturally, and it's almost dried, so it's nice and clean. So if you see, I'll just wipe it off, give me a second. So the visor is nice and clean now. That's just a water droplet, sorry. Yeah, it's nice and clean. Okay, so I'm going to keep this aside here next to me. So now that I have put the polish over, I'm going to clean this with a microfiber cloth. So let's do this. Okay, so we're taking a soft microfiber cloth and just going to, in circular motion, wonderful. So there you have it. It's nice and clean. So if you see, if there is some more dirt, you can actually remove it with a cotton swab. The cotton swab won't go so easily. So this part had dirt, this part had dirt, this part also had dirt, so it's nice and clean now. It's a nice clean helmet. Okay, now to the interior. Now, why do you think I've kept my helmet this way? I have not put in my visor. The reason because is that I don't want this to spray on my visor. Once I spray it, I will leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it will dry off, and later I will put the visor and all the other stuff. So this is a spray. Okay, it's the Ustraa helmet spray. I'll shake it and I'll spray it in. Don't forget the loops. That's it. Now we will leave it to dry and I'll get back to you. Okay, so after like 5 minutes, everything is dried off. It's completely dry, and it smells good. It actually smells good. It has this typical deodorant kind of fragrance, so that is very nice. And what this will do is it will actually remove the bacteria. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and will give the helmet a pleasant odor. So you don't want smelly helmets. That's the worst thing ever. So let us assemble this all up again, and I'll get back to you. So we have assembled the helmet back again, and it's nice and shiny. So this is how exactly you would want to maintain your helmet. And yes, please do this every if you're using the helmet every day, kindly do this every 2 weeks, or maybe if you sweat a lot, then you have to do this every 1.5 weeks or something like that. So yep, that's my HJC. Hey guys, Also, after cleaning my helmet, what I need to tell you guys is when you're using a helmet, it is better to use it with a balaclava. So I use this balaclava, okay, and this is the Lee Gear balaclava from Amazon. It just costs about $239, and you can even wash it every day. It dries off in just about an hour or 2 hours. So this will absorb the sweat, and then your helmet will. So that will increase the life of your helmet padding if you use this. And yes, you wouldn't want your helmet to smell and all that. So this will take the sweat first, and then I mean, if you really sweat a lot, then you can't help it much. But then still, this is a better option. So please do consider this and wear this, and then wear your helmet. It will actually it comes till here. So I'll just wear it and show you. Yes, my name is Ralph, and I'm not a terrorist. Sorry, that is a bad one. So yes, this is how it is. I mean, if you see, it extends right till the neck. So this will avoid tanning in the summers, and this keeps you protected. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the video, and please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you like this video, share this video in your groups, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever, because this is quite useful for all the riders out there to keep your helmets nice and clean, not only the outside but also the inside, because you want to stay fresh when you ride. So, ta-da!